So the first thing you're going to want to do is find the charge on each of your ions. We have aluminum with a +3. Copper is transition. We know it's a positive. And chlorine's a -1. In this situation, the two positives will end up trading places. So the positive trade. And I'm left with aluminum and chlorine plus copper by itself. So then you want to ask yourself, what's the charge again on each of those ions? Aluminum is a +3, copper is a -1. When I crisscross my charges, my correct neutral compound is AlCl3. Copper is not one of the diatomic 7, so copper is fine by itself. We can leave it alone. And then at this point, you'd want to go ahead and balance that equation. For the second problem, again, identify your charges. Sodium's a +1, iodine's a -1, and nitrogen's a -3. In this case, my two negative ions will trade places. Sodium joins up with nitrogen, and iodine is left alone. Sodium has a +1 charge, nitrogen has a -3 charge. When I crisscross my charges, the correct compound is Na3N. We need to look at iodine and ask ourselves, is it one of the diatomic 7? And indeed it is, so we're going to write I2. The 2 is there because iodine is diatomic. At this point, you would want to go ahead and balance the equation, and you would be finished after that.